I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to unlock the shop feature on your eBay dashboard, follow these steps to get it done easily. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Start by logging into your eBay account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that you want to unlock the shop for. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the My eBay section and select Account from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Check your seller status. In the account settings, look for the seller account section. Here, you can check your seller status and ensure you meet the requirements for unlocking the shop feature. Step 4. Enable shop feature. If you meet the requirements, find the option to enable the shop feature. This may be listed under shop settings or similar. Follow the prompts to unlock it. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling the shop feature, make sure to confirm your changes and save them. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your shop is now unlocked. Remember, if you don't see the option to enable the shop feature, it could be due to not meeting eBay seller requirements such as having a certain number of listings or positive feedback. Good luck with your eBay shop and happy selling.